Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make toffee wrapping. First, choose a food-grade material like cellophane or wax paper to keep your treats fresh and protected. Next, prepare your wrapping by cutting it into rectangles, typically around 4 by 6 inches for individual pieces. Remember, it is essential that your delicious toffee is fully cooled and firm before you begin, ensuring a perfect wrap every time. Now, let's wrap individual pieces. Take one piece of your cooled toffee and center it on a cut rectangle of your chosen wrapping material. Carefully fold 2 opposite sides of the wrapper over the toffee, ensuring a snug fit. Then, firmly twist the 2 remaining open ends in opposite directions to create a secure, candy-like seal, keeping your toffee fresh. For those making larger quantities, a heat sealer can significantly speed up the wrapping process, creating a professional finish. Once wrapped, store your toffee in an airtight container to protect it from moisture and air. Keep the container at a cool room temperature, and your delicious, properly wrapped toffee can maintain its freshness for several weeks, ready to enjoy. Finally, let's talk about presentation. Elevate your wrapped toffee by adding decorative ribbons, perhaps in a contrasting color, or custom-designed labels for a truly personal touch. You can arrange these delightful treats in small, elegant gift boxes or clear cellophane bags, perfect for sharing. Consider layering different toffee flavors to offer a wonderful variety to your recipients.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.